arbitrationagreements.org. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we want to share a secret with you. A technique that has the potential to transform the way we resolve conflicts in our society. It's called Alternative Dispute Resolution, or ADR for short. Before we begin, please like this video. Press the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you time and money. So, what exactly is alternative dispute resolution? It's a set of practices and techniques aimed at resolving disputes without the formalities of court proceedings. ADR promotes dialogue, understanding, and mutual respect between conflicting parties. It's a process where we take a step back, reassess the situation, and work together to find a resolution that benefits all parties involved. You see, confrontational disputes often escalate due to a lack of communication and understanding. ADR works like a diffuser, calming heightened emotions and creating space for dialogue. It promotes a collaborative approach where parties can voice their concerns in a more relaxed and respectful manner. To give you an idea of its effectiveness, in 2018, an impressive 70% of workplace disputes were resolved through ADR techniques, helping to maintain a harmonious work environment. Also, a recent study showed that the average time to resolve a dispute through mediation, a form of ADR, was just 58 days compared to over a year in litigation. This clearly shows that ADR is not only more time efficient, but also fosters a speedy resolution, which is beneficial to all parties involved. By embracing ADR, we allow ourselves to navigate disputes with empathy and understanding. We open doors to resolutions that are amicable and crafted with the consensus of all involved. We empower ourselves to foster relationships rather than severing them, creating a community that thrives on cooperation and mutual respect. So, as we navigate the complex world of disputes and conflicts, let's remember that we have a powerful tool at our disposal. A tool that promotes harmony, saves time, and encourages understanding. Our association invites you to explore the potential of alternative dispute resolution. To get started, head over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think about the advantages of ADR? Which one is most important to you? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.